Hello, and welcome to Recipe Erotica number 2. Guess the recipe. Traditionally, this is a dessert, but this one, it's a supper dish. It isn't quite sweet, nor could it be considered savory. It is just pleasant and subtle. You can serve it with a tossed green salad and some freshly baked lemon yogurt muffins, if you know what I mean. First, peel the sweet potatoes and cut them into chunks. And then you want to boil them until they're soft. 2, drain the sweet potatoes. Transfer them to a bowl.
Ooh, we're changing positions.
And mash them well. Add all the other ingredients and mix well. What are those ingredients, you ask? Butter, cinnamon, seedless oranges, chopped and toasted nuts. Salt, a little bit of honey, sweet, sweet honey. 3, spread into your unbaked crust.
All right, I don't think there's any way to make crust sound sexy. Crust.
Sprinkle with wheat germ and cheese and apply a few dots of butter here, there, and the other place. Like seriously, it actually says that in a recipe. What the hell does that mean? Bake at 375 for 40 to 50 minutes, uncovered. So like topless. All right, there you go. Can you guess the recipe?